Nickelodeon, the backyardigans to the center of the earth. No, wait. Hi, everybody. This is my book tutorial. And I'm reading To the Center of the Earth.
What's the title of your book?
To the Center of the Earth.
Okay, start reading. You're reading.
Go to the first page na. Yan, that's the first page. Sige na, hurry up, Cash.
Nickelodeon, the backyardigans to the center of the earth. Nickelodeon, the backyardigans to the center of the earth.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so read.
Oh no! I dropped my lucky penny," said Tyrone.
Wow.
"Well, you are in luck, my lad," said a voice behind him. "I'm Professor." Ito Bugali.
Saan yan? Professor?
I'm Professor Iniqua. Dahil Professor Pablo.
Dito ka. Iniqua, the world
famous inventor, and I'm Professor Pablo, said another voice. Shouted. Our inventions can do work.
anything
Will help you find your penny.
Yay! Very good. Good job. Thumbs up.
Good job.
Thumbs up, Cash. Say hi. Say bye-bye.
Hindi pa, oy!
Oo. Bye muna. I-cut mo lang natin, cut. Then continue video.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, very good, Cash. You can read. Well, paano ba to?